Alright, if you missed the exothermic versus endothermic lab, or can't remember what happened, then that's a missing assignment for you. We're here to clear that up for you. First, the directions say to start out with about 50 milliliters of baking soda, and you have to take a baseline temperature of the baking soda. Sometimes it helps if you tilt the glass a little bit forward so the bulb of the thermometer is all the way in there. And it appears to be, in this probably can't see it on video, looks like it's about 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add about 10 grams of baking soda that I already weighed out, and you see the reaction there. You probably remember that when vinegar and baking soda are mixed, carbon dioxide, which is a new substance, is created. After a few seconds, take a look at the thermometer again, and again, you may not be able to see this, but take my word for it, the temperature is now of the vinegar is now 15 degrees Celsius, so the temperature dropped 5 degrees Celsius. Remember, exothermic is when heat is released and temperature goes up. Endothermic is when heat is absorbed and the temperature goes down. So this would be an example of an endothermic reaction, which is a sign of a chemical change. Welcome to part 2 of our endothermic versus exothermic lab. In this lab, we're going to start out with 50 grams of water, and again, you're going to want to take a baseline measurement of that, and that appears to be about 18 degrees Celsius. And then on a scale, what we did in class, if you were absent or if you remember, we measured out about 5 grams of calcium chloride, and we put that into the water and mixed it up a little bit. Not going to get quite the reaction that you did with the vinegar and the baking soda, in terms of visually anyway. But after a few seconds, you're going to want to lift the thermometer out of the mixture and take another temperature reading, and it looks like we've got about 22 degrees Celsius. So obviously the temperature increased is a result of this chemical change. Remember, a temperature change is an indication that a chemical change has occurred, although it's not a guarantee.